Welcome back to PakTech-I. If you are wondering which is the most searched term over the web, you are at right place today. I will tell you step-by-step procedure for checking the trending searches for any place around the globe using Google Trends. Open any web browser. I am using Google Chrome here and search for Google Trends. Click on the first link which will navigate you to Google Trends website. You are now on home page of Google Trends. Click on Trending Now to view the current trends. Here our current location is Pakistan, and no data is available for this location due to governmental restrictions. Navigate to your location, for example, USA or Australia or whatever your country is. Here you will see the current web search trends. Scroll down and find the required information. You can switch between the daily search trends and real-time search trends as per your requirements. Click on Explore to manually find the trends about any search terms or keywords of your choice. Type any search term in the search bar and select location, duration, and type. You can change location and duration, etc., and results will be updated immediately. Scroll down to view interest in your search term by region. The country with highest interest will be scoring 100 and other countries will have relative score as compared to the top scoring country. Clicking on any country will show any further data and exact search terms by that country. You can compare multiple search term trends by clicking on Compare and typing another term. Comparative results will be displayed with graphs having different color lines for each term. You can perform comparative analysis by viewing the available data. You can add as many terms as you want to compare by clicking on Add Comparison and typing the search terms. Now you have learned how to view and compare web search trends. You can use this to analyze which topic is of public interest, and you can create your content or manage your business accordingly. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.